Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the prototyping model using Figma. So you have to click on the design. Okay, now here the prototyping model which is used to for testing purpose we are using whether you are when you are designing the web template or mobile template, how the template should works. If you click on this particular page, it goes to that another page. It redirect to another page. So that's all things we have to show into the testing part. You have to do the prototype this model. So how to do this? You have to draw the frame. First frame. Okay. This frame I'm going to name it as, double click on this. Yeah, just you have to write frame one. It's okay. If you want, you can change the name. I just change it as I just give this home page. Right. Second one, I have to draw another page which is a we have to call as about page. We have two pages. First page select as we have to change the color as red color. Second page I am going to change it as this color. We have to change it as green color. Okay. Now then we have a two pages. Now what you are going to do is we have two pages. Now first page I am going to I need one button. So I am going to this one. Click on that not frame, this rectangle shape. Drag on it. Click on that, and you have to corner shape. I am going to do it as 10. This one I am going to 10. I am going to this register. Okay. Click on this register text. Hold on shift key down and select this object as well. We have to alignment, center alignment, middle. That's it. It is coming like this. So here we have to click on this. Here we have to change the text font size like this something. Right. Now let's copy this. These two things you have just copied. You have to select this both text and this objects both select. Right click. You have to select as group selection. Yeah, or you have to control plus G of your keyboard shortcut. If you have pressed all together, it has been grouped. After that, what I am going to do is I am going to go to copy this, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, get another copy. The same button I am going to drag it on the about us page. Here I am going to change the text as back something. Okay, you can give any name. Okay, there are two links. I have attached two links. Okay, this is the home, this is about here. The order, the layers are, if you adjust and drag and drop it, it automatically created. That's the easy way to do the things on Figma. Okay, right, this here, it's very simple. Right, now what you are going to do is, I want to link of them. First click on this is your frame, this is your button. So you have to go to the prototyping. So prototyping you can see, okay, this is the first one. Okay, so here you have the position scrolling. Okay, so here you will be able to see. Okay, so here first you have to show the prototyping setting device, which device you are going to show. Whatever device you can check it here. So TV, MacBook, everything is there. Okay, this one you can show it as I want to show this one as just a phone with just iPhone 16. Okay, this is iPhone 16. I want to show this. Okay, the iPhone 16. I want to show this, right? So select this frame first. So what you're going to see a frame first. I'm going to go to prototyping. But at this, click on that flow. This flow is coming. Now what you're going to do is flow is coming. So I'm going to click on this. The flow. This is a flow. Okay. If I click on this here, the button is running. So I'm going to go to. Okay, I'm just stopping. Okay. Now click on this button. If you click on this button, so if you add the floor, you can see the click on button. This button, when you click this register button, it goes to this page. Okay, you link in this page. That's it. you have tried on tap. That's it. After that, click on this button. This button, you have to back it. When you click back button, it's go free. That's it. You have to keep this on tap. Alright. Simply, we have done this one. You have to click on this flow. Here, it's come to the register page. Click on this, it's go to the back. Go to the click, click, click. Okay. Now you have a good idea how to do the prototype model in Figma. Very simple. You have to try on this. It's very simple. Thank you for watching.